Hello, wildlife enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey into the lives of one of the most magnificent creatures on Earth, the rhinos. Join us as we uncover the incredible world of these gentle giants, their struggles, and the dedicated efforts to protect them. Get ready for a wild adventure as we dive deep into the fascinating life of rhinos. Let's begin. Rhinos, known for their prehistoric appearance and immense strength, are one of the most iconic animals of the African savanna. These gentle giants face numerous challenges in their fight for survival, making them a symbol of the critical need for conservation. We find ourselves in the heart of the rhino's natural habitat, the vast African plains. Rhinos are herbivores, primarily grazing on grasses, leaves, and shoots. Did you know that an adult rhino can consume up to 100 pounds of vegetation in a single day? That's quite the appetite. Rhinos are facing an alarming threat: poaching. The demand for rhino horns, fueled by false beliefs in their medicinal properties, has pushed these magnificent creatures to the brink of extinction. But conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect them and raise awareness about the importance of their conservation. Rhinos are crucial to maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. As mega herbivores, their grazing patterns influence vegetation growth, which, in turn, impacts other wildlife. Losing rhinos would have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. That's why our conservation efforts are vital. One of the most precious moments in a rhino's life is the bond between mother and calf. Rhinos have a gestation period of around 15 to 16 months, one of the longest in the animal kingdom. Witnessing a